Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect PlayStation to your XIAOMI F Pro TV. In order to do this, you're gonna need a two-sided HDMI cable like this one, and of course your PlayStation. I suppose it's gonna be the fifth one, but it's not necessarily the latest model. They are all connected to your TV in the very same way. So first of all, connect your PlayStation to the power source. So just grab it, locate the power port at the bottom of it, and insert your power cable into it. It's two-sided, so you can't mistake the side. You can insert it from upside down, or no matter which side you insert it, just not the sideways. Next, you're gonna have to locate the HDMI port on your PlayStation, which is located on the back side also, right here, and insert your HDMI cable into it. After that, put your PlayStation aside and insert the other side of the HDMI cable into your TV. You have all the HDMI ports on the back cover of your TV that are easily accessed from the left edge of it. Just insert your HDMI cable into one of the available HDMI ports on the back of your TV, and then turn on your PS by pressing the power button at the bottom of it, on the front side of it. After that, in order to switch to your PS, you're gonna have to either wait until your TV switches to it automatically, or go to Inputs and select your HDMI. If you inserted your HDMI cable into the HDMI port at the bottom, it's gonna be HDMI 1. The one in the middle is HDMI 2, and the one at the top is HDMI 3. Just select your highlighted HDMI basically, and it will switch you to your PlayStation. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.